MobiKin is a free open-source Android backup tool, but it has limits. Without root, it can't fully back up app data, and restores may be unreliable. In this video, we'll show 7 better alternatives for simple users and power users who need more control. Top 1. Best Backup Alternative: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. MobiKin Backup Manager for Android, Windows, Mac lets you back up your whole device, apps, data, and media in one click. You can easily restore everything to the same or a new device for simple, smooth data transfer. After installing and launching the software, connect your Android phone via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Once detected, choose Backup on the main interface from the backup and restore window to begin a smooth, worry-free data backup. Top 2. Migrate Data Backup. A flexible backup solution, Migrate Data Backup secures apps, settings, and files with precision, ensuring smooth restoration when needed. Its design makes it a reliable backup alternative, especially for users seeking consistent performance without complications. Top 3. Seedvault. As a built-in solution for newer Android versions, Seedvault provides a seamless, system-level option for backing up app data and settings. Configuration is minimal, often working quietly in the background to secure your information. Top 4. MoboPlay. Focusing on media management, MoboPlay excels at transferring and backing up photos, videos, and music between your device and computer. The process is drag and drop simple, creating mirrored folders without requiring technical knowledge. Top 5. Swift Backup. Combining robust functionality with a modern design, Swift Backup supports both rooted and non-rooted devices for broad appeal. Backups can be automated and sent to cloud services or local storage, offering flexible and reliable protection. Top 6. DataBackup. Specializing in simplicity, DataBackup focuses on backing up contacts, messages, call logs, and calendar events with minimal steps. Its lightweight design ensures the process is quick and unobtrusive, preserving essential personal data. Top 7. SyncDroid. Acting as a versatile bridge between your Android device and computer, SyncDroid manages not only backups but also installations and file transfers. Scheduled tasks can handle your data automatically, ensuring consistency without manual intervention.